Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we will decode corporations. Today we're diving into a report from Espey Manufacturing and Electronics, and let me tell you, it's got more personnel changes than a reality TV show. Is this musical chairs a sign of a company in trouble or just a fresh start? Let's find out. This document is called a Form 8K, and it's basically a company's way of saying, hey, something important just happened, and we need to tell everyone right away. This report is dated February 18th, 2025, so that's when all this stuff went down. The company we're talking about is Espey Manufacturing and Electronics. They make electronic components and things like that. Their headquarters are in Saratoga Springs, New York. Espey stock is traded on the NYSE American Exchange under the ticker symbol ASP. Now, there are some checkboxes here that indicate that the information is not also covered in other fillings or communications, so it's all in one place for us. Okay, let's get to the meat of the report. Changes in who's running the company. The main thing this report tells us about is changes among the company's executives, the people in charge. Their Chief Financial Officer and Treasurer, Katrina Sparano, retired on February 15th, 2025. Taking her place is Caitlin O'Neill, who is now the Principal Financial Officer and Treasurer. That's a big promotion. So who is this new financial boss? Well, she's 32 years old and had been working at Espey since the start of the year, January 6th, 2025. Before Espey, she worked at a company called Octo Telematics in a finance role. She was the finance director. Before that, she held different finance positions at Precisely Holdings for around 4 years. Early in her career, she was a senior audit associate at the accounting firm KPMG. Importantly, Ms. O'Neill is a certified public accountant, meaning she's passed a rigorous exam and is qualified to handle financial matters. The document also specifies she has experience in financial planning, taxes, mergers, and even auditing publicly traded companies, so she seems well prepared for the job. To avoid any confusion, the document points out that Caitlin O'Neill is not related to David O'Neill, the company's president and CEO. Nepotism is not the reason for her promotion. The company issued a press release, which is a public statement to announce the retirement of the old CFO and the appointment of the new one. So, why does all of this matter? First, when a company changes its financial leadership, it's a big deal. The CFO is a key person who is deeply involved in the company's financial health. It can impact how investors view the company. Second, the fact that Espey is quickly replacing the CFO with someone already inside the company suggests they have confidence in their internal talent. Third, a new CFO might bring fresh ideas and strategies to the table, which could be a good thing. Whether these leadership changes will ultimately benefit the company, only time will tell. Now let's put on our analysis hats and think about what this all means for Espey. The retirement of a CFO can be a moment of uncertainty, but the quick appointment of Caitlin O'Neill suggests a smooth transition. Her background in public accounting and experience with mergers is definitely a plus, especially in today's fast-changing business world. It's also reassuring that she's already familiar with the company, which should minimize any disruption. However, Ms. O'Neill is still relatively early in her career, so her actions will need to be monitored and measured. On the whole, I see Espey's direction as cautiously optimistic, but with a few things to keep in mind. One potential risk is how well the new CFO adapts to her role. Big promotions aren't always easy, and there's always a chance that things might not go as planned. On the other hand, this could also be an opportunity for Espey to adopt new financial strategies and improve its overall performance. We would need to look more closely at Espey's broader financials, such as the company's revenue, profit margins, and cash flow, to see how it is doing compared to the previous CFO. Looking at Espey's stock, it's hard to give a precise valuation without more information about their financials, but based on what we know and information available to the public, I'd estimate a reasonable target price range of $15 to $20 per share. This is based on a combination of factors, including the company's potential for growth, its current financial situation, and the overall market conditions. In conclusion, I'm leaning towards a slightly bullish, cautiously positive outlook on Espey. The company seems to be taking the right steps to ensure a smooth transition in financial leadership, and the new CFO has the potential to bring fresh ideas and strategies to the table. However, there are also some risks to keep in mind, and it's important to monitor the company's progress closely. Thanks for watching. If you found this corporate decoder breakdown helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment below with any questions.